More whipped cream.
Here it comes. Ready? Look at you. You messy boy. Okay, put it in your mouth. No, put it in your mouth. Oh, you lost some more. What do you think, Donovan? Okay. Num, num, num. Does that go well with that cherry pie? I bet it does. Num, num, num. Daddy just made some, and oh my God, is that good? What do you think? You guys are going to be hyper till midnight. You're going to have to sleep in. Do you like that? Do you want some, Donovan? You do? You don't? You don't have to add it. What do you think, Seamus? Is that good?
The what? I'm gonna eat.